Okay, here's a recent photo of a traffic jam in China. There are 50 lanes of cars here. Adding a 51st lane is not going to make things any better. Similarly, adding network capacity is not going to convince people to start putting less stuff on their website. This right here is a banger argument. This is, in my opinion, pretty much top tier. And it is almost exactly the point that I think I just was making without having read this. Yeah, this is exactly right. Just because hardware is better, bandwidth is better, etc., it actually makes the problem worse. What you're doing is giving people who already made excuses for crap ass code, crap ass, stinky ass websites, pure fresh pooped flies buzzing around software, applications that crash on startup, more often than they run properly. All it does is they make them go, hey, I'm good, because the hardware is going to kind of like cover over my sins, so to speak. It's a terrible way to deal with the problem. We all should go back to assembly. Robot. Unspoken is definitely a great way to put it, because they may not necessarily think about it, but they seem to forget that people are going to run other things alongside. Right. They think because it's there for them to use. Dead. Yes. Man, that is great. Yes. That is a great argument. I think you articulated that really well. It is an unspoken idea. A user has 8 gigs of RAM. We get to use 8 gigs of RAM. Users have massive bandwidth and good internet speeds. We get to use it. Nobody actually says those words when they're building the thing. But it is just it comes as like there's a word for it. It's like de facto. No, it's a principle. I don't know. It's presupposed. It's presupposed. Ray,